it. Like, he has the most memorable lines in the entire thing.
I always remember him with the red pickup truck too. Just like everybody else. All right, we're talking about some weather, some dense fog depending on where you are.
If you're farther east, not as much of it. Usually the usual foggy spots aren't as foggy. The less foggy spots usually are really foggy this morning. So let's take a look at what's happening out there. Bedford County right now, you kind of have a mix, a little bit of fog, but also enough cloud cover overhead to keep the fog from being real thick near ground level. The farther west and northwest you go, you see clearer skies overhead, but that allows more fog to develop right at ground level. So plenty of fog here along the Tennessee River from the city of Clifton in Wayne County. Looking outside from West Nashville right now, and again, it's dark here from our perspective at the St. Henry School, but you see that halo around each of the street lights there in the parking lot. That means the fog is pretty thick here, even in this, one of our typically less foggy spots around the area. The reason it's foggy is because the humidity is 100%. The temperature and the dew point are identical. When those two numbers are the same, that's when the atmospheric jug is full. It can't hold any more water, and so it forms fog instead, that cloud cover right at ground level. Not seeing any other moisture out there though. Showers and thunderstorms nowhere near the mid-state. The nearest rain way along the Atlantic coast, hundreds of miles away from us. We could see a spotty shower this afternoon, but I think those are going to be very few and far between as we head through the afternoon hours, mainly in southeastern Middle Tennessee. That's where you're warmest this morning. Low 60s, less likely to run into those severely reduced visibilities in southeastern Middle Tennessee. Metro Nashville, we're kind of in between. 58 degrees is the current temperature officially in Nashville. The thickest fog is west of I-65, but there's still plenty of it around Metro Nashville this morning. Where your temperatures are in the low 50s or even upper 40s in Paris, that's where the fog is really dense. Quarter mile visibilities, even down to zero visibility in some spots around the area. So we head through the day. That gray indicates the fog this morning, but also cloud cover farther up that's expected to develop as we head through the afternoon. More clouds than sunshine throughout the day, and there's that real slight chance of a shower in eastern and southeastern Middle Tennessee later on today. I would not worry about it if you have any outdoor plans. This evening, we're going to do the whole thing over again, and late tonight as well. Fog developing after midnight. It's going to be locally dense to start off the day on Wednesday. We'll get rid of it just a little bit faster. Still more clouds and sunshine and a slight shower chance, just some radar freckles showing up here and there. Temperatures are going to be in the low 70s today and the mid 70s for highs tomorrow as we gradually get rid of a little bit of that cloud cover. The overall weather pattern does shift a little bit as we get closer to the end of the work week. Not too much yet on Thursday. Some showers trying to sneak up towards us Thursday morning and some more showers possible Thursday afternoon. These are going to be pretty few and far between still during the daylight hours on Thursday. This system out to our west is going to bring a severe weather threat actually to Oklahoma, Texas, and Arkansas. That's where the greatest severe weather potential is going to shape up. That's where they have a slight risk. By the time the storms move towards us, which is going to be late Thursday night, likely well after midnight and really closer to this time on Friday morning, that's not a favorable time frame for thunderstorms to really do much damage. So it's a marginal risk of severe weather. Wouldn't worry about it at this point. Best chance of some stronger storms would be to the west of I-65. For today, temperatures will warm up once the fog does burn off, but still more clouds and sunshine throughout the day. Upper half of the 60s by noon, low 70s this afternoon, mid 70s tomorrow, then upper 70s on Thursday. Record high on Thursday is 82, so I think that's going to remain safe, but we'll keep an eye on it. Best chance of storms will arrive early Friday. Enough of a chance of lingering showers on Saturday that I bumped it up to 40%. We'll hope that maybe the system gets a little more oomph and just kind of clears out of here and leaves us with dry weather for the weekend. That is still very much a possibility. Melanie?
All right, we hope so. Thanks, Paul. Well, taking a look outside, fog